Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, guys, get into this look. Get into it, okay? Alright guys, so I have another wig to review today. And this wig is from this company right here. I think it's DSoar hair. It's nice box, nice packaging. I just wanted to quickly show y'all what came in the box. So of course the wig came in the box and they were so cute. They gave me this little item. I guess it's for the holidays. Reindeer ear. It's like something you put on when you're doing your makeup and you don't want your hair to get in your face, but it's so cute. And they also gave me a bonnet, which you gotta love a bonnet, especially when you're going into the shower and going to bed. This wig, I put a little bit of little clips of me doing this, but this hair came much longer, guys, and it was the regular dark brown color, but I wanted to do something different, so I added honey blonde box ties, as you guys saw from the previous clip, and I just put it on it, and as you guys can see, it has a little bit more of like a reddish brown undertone. It lifted the colors a little. And for the lace, I sprayed it with my lace tint spray just to give it a more of a brown skin tone color, because the lace did come a little bit lighter. But yeah guys, this wig is really nice. I definitely cut the hair because I didn't want to wear it long, and this is the natural waves when you wash it and dry it. So let's get into this wig really quickly. I'm gonna take this off. This wig definitely has a lot of room and I'm so excited for it. I'm here for it. Hello. So y'all, I did bleach the knots and pluck a lot on this wig. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but this lace was so much more dense. I can't even lie. It was really thick. So I really had to go ham on the plucking, and I did my makeup just to kind of like match the hair a little. I feel like in the sun you guys could kind of see the color a little bit better, but right now it's giving me dark burgundy ombre, dark burgundy red vibes. No, it's just a 13x6. What I'm gonna do right quick is pull my cap back because it always like messes with what's going on. But anyways, I really love the space on this wig cap, and I love how the hair feels when it's in its natural state. It just feels so nice and soft, and I love the curl patterns. It's giving me real natural baddie vibes. So I'm just gonna pin the hair back really quickly. And I'm gonna hook it in the back because the wig does have enough space for that. And the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the air flaps. They're a little bit uncomfortable, so I just wanna get that out of the way really quickly. Okay, so now that the air flaps are cut, you guys can see a little bit better how it's gonna lay. And y'all, the wig tint, the lace tint really helped me out, because as you guys can see, a little bit at the edge is how light it would have been, but then if you compare it to right here, you guys can tell that it definitely looks a lot better. So if you have makeup, a lace tint spray, anything, just use it because it will definitely help your life out. Okay, so I'm gonna just skip through this part because you guys already know what I'm about to do, so I'm just gonna skip through this. Alright y'all, so for today I'm gonna go in with my bolt hold glue, and I'm just gonna lay it on my edges like I normally do, and then pull the wig cap down when I'm ready. I like to spread my glue this wide. when I'm gluing down my wigs, especially on my forehead where I have a lot of room to play around and have fun, you know. So that's what I like to do on my forehead. I'm gonna come back to y'all when this is completely dry because I don't want to waste any more of your precious time. I know y'all want to get ready for Thanksgiving. Y'all want to go to your living room, sit down, look cute. So that's why I'm rushing through this. Next up, you get your comb and prepare for the blast off. Anyways, I'm going to grab this and put it down like I usually do. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is just lay down the sides and just see how they're gonna look, okay? Alright, let's go. Alright, so what I'm going to do, guys, is put a silk scarf on really quickly and just lay this bad boy down for like 5 minutes. Nothing too serious, just so that it melts in a little bit more. Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, guys, so you already know what to do next. Just cut the excess lace. Don't be afraid. You gotta get as close to the hairline as possible. And I know it looks like a little bit liney right now, but I'll try to finesse that when I'm done. Okay, it still looks a little bit wiggy, but like, I can fix that. It's not a big deal. The hair lining is just, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit difficult to work with because of how it looks. Let me see how it would look with the side part. Let's see. No. No, 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 no. No. I don't know. And the knots, like, in my opinion, the knots just look like they weren't even bleached, even though I bleached them. The hair itself is really nice, but like the lace is, it's definitely not how I cut it. Do not even try it, okay? Don't try it, because I always cut my wigs following the natural hairline. But like, let's get into this hair though. Like, look how nice and wavy and voluminous this is. I'm so happy I cut it because I do like this mid, let me try to show you guys what I'm talking about. Stops right here. I do like that look a little bit better, but let's see what I'm gonna do with this hairline. So while my edges are a little bit more slayed, I'm gonna go over it with the scarf and just lay it down while I deal with the hair in itself. Now, Shakira, oh, you can dance like this. You make me wanna say better. I need to feel in the charge of my body. I'm on the night, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it, but the tension, the feeling. It's like, now let me stop. Anyways, that's how I'm feeling with this hair now. Like, as y'all can see, the natural waves are kicking in. I'm just adding a little bit of water, guys. And look at the waves. Look at the waves. Look at the waves. It looks amazing. Wow. So yeah, guys, this hair is so nice. It's like in between very curly and very straight. It's a nice combination. I love this. It's a really nice body wave wig. It's giving me more curly than body wave, but I really love it. I'm here for it. Okay, DSoar hair, I'm here for it. But let's take this thing off and try to finesse a part or something, if that can even work. Okay, not bad. Not freaking bad, okay? Not bad. Ooh, Jada. Kind of liking this carefree side swoop thing I got going on. I just want to give a shout out to everybody who believed in me. Anyways, let's see if I could really still find a part though, like seriously. I just need everything to be really wet, so I'll keep spraying until it all complies with my needs, because some parts are still dry. I just feel like y'all can't tell me anything, period. Like, let's forget about the lace really quickly, but let's get into this hair. Let's get into this cut. You guys can't tell me anything. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Wait, actually, absolutely yeah, until I cut this right here. Okay, now absolutely not. Like, what? This hair is so bomb. I don't think y'all understand. And what? I really know that you're gonna do it like that. I'm gonna say that, but you're my feeling the swing of my body. I'm on tonight, you know my starlight, and I'm starting to feel it, but the touching, the feeling, the rejection. Anyways, y'all, that's how much I'm feeling this hair right now. Like, okay, let me stop. But guys, get into it. Don't overdo it. Alright guys, so I'm really loving how this came out, and I'm gonna do a quick outro because what else? Ooh, sideburn action. Anyways, Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to share it because one of y'all friends out there needs to get into this look, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to give me a like, a thumbs up, and make sure to follow me on my social media. Peace, love, and longevity.